What's up guys, Sharpshot here. Today's video is absolutely insane. I am playing Airsoft at an abandoned Air Force base in Calumet, Michigan. This specific game we were trying to assault a building that a bunch of players held up in there. We had to capture a flag and bring it out of the building while they had to kill us. And yeah, it went about as good as you expected. I hope you all enjoy.
We are all dead.
I got dead right now. Pushing or is it full?
Is it?
Oh, I can't reach it from here. Oh, wait, hold on. Shit. They're shooting the other side door. Yeah, we've already got a few people down on the other side. Or actually, oh, okay. Okay, get down. Slowly open. Give it some time. Alright. One off. I'm gonna pick it up some more. Tell me when to stop. Nothing immediate right. No rooms immediate. Cross it. Thanks, man.
Oh.
Really, baby, sorry.
Oh, fuck. Crushing.
Okay. Are they in that room directly to the right? I don't see anything. It might be. Okay. We're pushing!
Yeah, there's immediate left.
Okay. Stairs? Okay.
I don't know if there's someone there, but there's stairs.
Someone hold for me. Yeah.
On the stairs.
Get out! Oh. Get out. Go respawn. Okay, yeah, forgot about that.
And they're gonna be, that
Okay.
stair's gonna kill us all.
Alright, so what's gonna happen? Okay, I need a bunch of guys behind me. So, I'm gonna do something called running the rabbit. Are you guys familiar with that? No. So, I'm just gonna run down the hall, okay?
Hey, anyone got a rock or a cinder block?
Get out of the hallway.
Big stick. Are they in the
Does everyone understand what to do? Yeah.
Hey, firm.
Okay.
I think we have a cinder.
Yeah, we've got our guys on the other side. Okay, right there, we're covered. Is that light friendly? He's ready to go. Staircase. Move in. Understood. Alright, I'm gonna get shot, but that's how it's gonna be. Everyone good? Yeah. 3, go. 2,
What's your footwork?
1.
Go.
Go!
Move! Upstairs. He's like right through nasty.
Fuck. Crossing. I have a frag.
Man.
This is not gonna, it's probably not even gonna go off, but. Frag! Hit! Am I good to cross?
You gotcha.
No, isn't they respawn? They've been going respawn. That's what I'm saying.
The rule's literally one life.
That's what I'm saying.
We don't win until they're all dead.
Yeah.
How? What the fuck?
That's what I'm saying. How are you even supposed to win then? I don't know. Bryce decided attackers get 2 lives, 1 respawn. Yeah. So have that one line.
Alright, first floor is clear, first floor is clear! First floor is clear!
I got light. I got light.
Yeah, I would have changed. I would have been in there with it. No, all good. It's just like, wait a minute. No, yeah. It was kind of on the fly, too. That was fucking good.
What do we got? Hey.
I'm dead.
You got a stairwell. There were people here before.
I can take point, but I don't have a light, so. We got people covering up. There's on the other side.
Fuck, he's right up top.
Do like a, I think a hour lunch break. We got like hot dogs.
Is this the only staircase?
Yeah. Oh yeah, there is an outside staircase.
I know, I was the next room over, bro. I was in there with you.
Doing a vibe check?
What?
Doing a vibe check?
Yeah.
Different game. I was more attacking.
Okay, is the vibe we all just go up and start spraying up?
Well, probably, depending on
I don't know if we have any other.
I might die here, but that's fine.
Oh, yeah. Ooh.
They're just like
If that's running for it.
You got flashlights and shit, man.
Okay.
We're gonna have to get up there. I said, wait, do we move in after you throw it?
They might kick it back.
After it goes off.
They might kick it back down. No, what kind of games are you? Kind of game are you?
I need.
Unless someone comes down.
Right. Anyone willing to be a sacrifice?
That sounds powerful. Dead man. Holy dead man.
Holy fuck.
Dead man.
They're right here.
Yeah.
They're right here.
Yeah. I don't know how to get this.
No, I don't either.
Because if I
That's not a thing.
if I do this wrong, it'll miss the balcony and just come back down on us,
Yeah.
which is not bueno.
No.
I can just run up.
That's what I'm thinking, but like, how do we do it without this?
That is getting very, very nerve-wracking.
Grenade up there and then all just move in.
It's if I miss the toss though,
It's
it'll
gonna
kill
land
all
right
of
here.
Because it'll land right there.
I mean, we could all like.
So I need, if this is gonna work, I need like 3 guys to move up there, and then I have enough clearing to get up onto this like 3rd or 4th step to toss it up. But I need guys to be willing to do that.
That sounds
very powerful.
You're probably looking down. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I think there's a guy right in this corner. Okay. Is anyone ready or willing to go up?
Fuck.
Send him to die.
They reached the top floor, I guess, guys.
They did? This is the only stairwell.
Outside.
There's an outside
Yeah,
stairwell?
on the other side.
Shit. Here, let me see if I can't find my pin. Oh, I see it.
Yeah.
That nade is good go.
Alright.
I'm going to, you guys hold this. I'm gonna try taking that outside stairwell.
It's only a matter of time now.
Gotta get us first.
I don't have to come get you. I just got to keep you here.
I don't have to go anywhere. Flags, we've got the flag.
Alright, Ashton.
Yeah, this isn't the only staircase.
Yeah, we've got plenty of guys for that.
Only takes 1 grenade.
Yeah, try it.
I don't have any. I already used mine.
Just one guy up here. Come on, guys.
Grenade!
That's what I thought. A little bit better on the bank shot next time. I should wait for you.
Will they fall for it a 3rd time?
Keep tossing rocks. I can build a castle up here.
Frag!
Oh, it goes back.
No. I already threw that. He's directly above. But he's bringing another meeting to sweeping the building.
All that asbestos dust in our lungs.
Yes, sir. Gotta love it.
I'm gonna go around and see what they're doing.
I want to see these guys get like shot.
We're probably going to get shot. This is a stairwell. Like that. Yep.
Oh, your hits if you got hits.
He's gone. He left.
I don't know.
Wait, what?
There's like axe slicing.
Holy fuck.
Dude, I know.
That's a glory hole right there.
That is very silly glory hole. I think your team needs backup on the other way. When you look like you're doing too well.
I fell in the hole.
Alright, you might see.
And we'll figure it out.
Fuck. This is
I gotta go to the house now.
Yeah.
What do we got right now?
Like, what is the game at?
at least one, probably two, top of the stairs. Perhaps one around the corner right here on the stairs. Not sure. Definitely one right here. He's shooting over the.
Do you know where Royce died at?
No.
Okay. Did he go up the stairs?
He went the other staircase.
No!
Was that one of ours?
Yeah, that was one of yours.
So, like, how do we, like, win?
Dead man downstairs!
If you guys...
We get one respawn.
Oh, okay.
Well, no, because we've already shot like half your team and they just respawned.
We have 2 lives, 1 respawn.
Yeah.
Yeah, we still, I know, we talked to some of the other guys.
So are you guys, like, the only ones left, or what?
I don't know.
Okay, you know what, we should
Yeah, I'm sorry.
That's funny as fuck
I'm
though.
happy with the outcome, but my bad.
That's funny as fuck though.
Got another grenade?
No, I threw my only grenade twice.
I saw it.
Gun hit, gun hit.
Is there anybody in that first right? First right?
I don't know, there were earlier, but not sure that's still.
You need a light? There's an extra flashlight here.
Is there still one person there?
I don't know. I left with one person, but he might be dead. So first floor might be.
Oh.
Here's your light.
Alright, so he must be on the
Hit. Fuck, that was a good shot.
he's in the
That's going to be the end of the video. I hope you guys all enjoyed. This has got to be one of the coolest places I've ever played Airsoft, and I'd like to extend a great thank you to the Airsoft Association of MTU for allowing me to play at this abandoned Air Force base. It was absolutely insane, in my opinion. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. I'm going to be trying to post more often, especially now that I have a bunch of footage. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.